Today, I'm going to show you how to build this coop from scratch. This coop, I had to draw it out. I came up with the plan and I want to present it to you. See if you like it. Recently in the US, there was egg crisis. The eggs were expensive. Some supermarket did not have any eggs. Some places that did have it, the eggs were very expensive. So that got me thinking, why don't I buy some chickens or raise some chickens so I could have my own eggs and I don't have to worry about the egg situation if it happens again. So I went out and bought 3 chicks to raise so I could, benefit from the eggs. So my son and I on the weekend decided to build this coop. So we built it. I wanted to build it predator proof. I wanted to make sure if I'm going to have some chickens, I don't want to have any predators take the chicken from me. So I built it as strong as I could. I tried to keep it simple so I could share with you. This build anyone can build. It's very simple. All I did was I did the typical framing that you would in the house. This particular coop is about 12 feet by 4 feet. That should be enough for 3 chickens. I'm hoping to add 3 more in the future, but right now 3 would be fine. So we built the frame with regular 2x4. If you like, you could use pressure treated 2x4. I would use pressure treated in the future, but right now we need to put something quick. Didn't want to spend too much time. I didn't know how this was going to be. So I decided to use cheapest wood possible, which was regular 2x4s. But I am going to be covering it up with plywood, so that should solve the problem with it being not lasting too long. But I do plan on painting over it. Plywood, I use pressure treated because the weathering and everything else, you want this to be predator proof and strong. And at least this coop should last me at least 3 or 4 years. So this is the finished product. This is how it looks like. We put 2 doors, we put windows, we make sure there's enough ventilation, and look at those chickens. They like their new home. Looking at it looks great, looks comfortable, and looks like the chickens are going to have good time in there. We had 4 sections. We have that rooster bar over there. We have that bar for them to be sleeping on, and looks like they already started to use this coop. I'm sure they're going to like it, and I'm sure one day I will have eggs. I need your help in growing this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it. If you like something about it or you have a comment, please comment below. It will help the algorithm to promote my channel. I would like to grow the channel. I would like to help more people. Without your help, there is no growing. You don't have to pay for anything. Subscribing, liking, and sharing and commenting is absolutely free. I would like to thank you in advance for taking that step.